Yeah, another day. I'm feeding these poor birds. It's rainy, but and as you can see over there, it's water. I think that's the closest I can get to. And these poor birds, they're eating. I think this is what I call good deeds because these birds are very innocent, very you know. And especially today being a rainy day, and if you come and feed these birds, it would be a really good deed. Why you let your food go into waste when a bird can eat? When a bird is hungry, it's another life, right? I'm just thinking like this. If you're a bird and somebody bring the food to you, how do you feel? I think this is what I consider as a good deeds. I've been doing this for over years now. I don't know how long it's been, but it's been a long time. And the bird, as you can see, standing there, the big bird. That bird ate so much and took a dump also. And these birds are really innocent, poor. This is a good deed you can do. I think if I can do it, you can do it too. And so don't let the food go into waste. And this bird can. There are a lot of animals who are hungry. I really don't. I don't like to call them animal because I think we have a humans, worse than animals. But they were born and they were given to this world. So and they really don't deserve to be called animal. They're very poor and they haven't hurt anybody. They're very innocent and they're very hungry. So I think I'm coming here, and feeding them, and I would definitely consider this as a good deed. Some people, ask me what they can do for good deeds, and sometimes you could be poor. Like me, I'm not a rich guy. I'm a poor guy, but there are a lot of things. There are a lot of things that you can do to earn the good deeds. You gotta remember, whatever good deed we do, it follow us, and also whatever karma we do, it follow us too. So I think feeding these poor birds, I would consider as definitely a good deed. I'm not. I don't have any comments on. I don't have any comments on hunting. Some people get up early in the morning to go hunting. And I don't believe killing animal is a good thing. Don't get me wrong, I do eat meat too, but especially where the people, I have seen some videos that, the way they kill the animal is like, oh my God, I saw this video This guy got it's like a bat, and this guy pounding pounding the head with a bat, and this was it was on the YouTube. I think you could see it too, and I really, and that's a sad, and now what I'm doing is, I'm actually feeding this bird, and I don't know, and I think I have I don't know. Yeah. This guy watching me. I don't know why. Let's see. As you can see, I got the security or somebody, and that's the closest I can get to. And he's watching me. I mean, I'm not doing anything bad. I'm doing something good, and this guy is sitting there watching me. Sometimes I wonder, don't they have anything better to do? I mean, it's so obvious that I'm feeding a bird, and then at the same time, I got this guy. I don't know. He could be a security. He could be a work here, but I don't know. He's watching me from there, and that's the one thing I don't understand. Yeah, this guy. Yeah, I hope this guy not gonna pull me over. I guess, the security don't have power to pull me over. I didn't do anything wrong, I'm feeding this poor bird. That's what I'm doing. But anyway, to me that's kind of funny, man, because here I'm feeding bird, and then this guy watching me like, I'm doing something bad. I don't know if you got my plate number. Oh well. I'm not doing nothing bad, man. I'm just feeding the birds. Yeah. Everywhere I go, like every time I do something like this, somebody always watching me. I don't know why. I can understand, it is a park, but I don't see anywhere it says you cannot feed the birds. So if you look at that wall, and here, I don't see anywhere it says you can feed the bird, Somebody probably called him. That's probably why he's watching me. But I wonder, what would they, even if somebody called, why would they tell them, if they say, oh yeah, there's a guy here, it was suspicious because he's feeding the birds, they're gonna laugh. Come on. And I know even that, they still, come over. Yeah. And I'm not doing nothing wrong. I just put up food, and now, and all this, the big birds are gone. And as you can see, that guy is still watching me. I don't know who he work for, what kind of guy he is, but he's still watching me. And I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm just, feeding the birds. Well, I guess the birds are, I don't be surprised if the police, come up to me now. And I think I guess, okay, now they got this blackbird. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, folks, I guess that's all I gotta say. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Alright, thank you.